one day left in the race for Christmas #1, and in an incredible turn of events, Justin Bieber has called on his 71.9 million Twitter followers to help his rivals to the top spot. The NHS Choir began trending on Twitter on Wednesday afternoon after the Canadian pop star called on his fans to do the right thing and help charity single A Bridge Over You get to Christmas #1. The post has been retweeted 43,000 times. The charity single by staff, including doctors, nurses and midwives at Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust, is a reworking of Coldplay's Fix You and Simon & Garfunkel's Bridge Over Troubled Water. The song was originally produced 2 years ago following the choir's work with Gareth Malone on the BBC Two programme Sing While You Work. And all they want for Christmas is a top spot.
I have a vision of sitting at the nurses' station, having the radio on, and it would be amazing. It would mean an awful lot to all the healthcare staff who are working, and there's many thousands of them who will be working on Christmas Day, to hear this song and to hear the NHS at #1.
And I will try.